Again, shout out to Ricky, bro. I'm gonna tag him in the comments here soon. Make sure y'all like, follow, and go and freaking get him. Sign up and let him help you build a computer. Bro, I cannot wait to turn this thing on. Lord have mercy. I gotta reorganize my desk and all that real quick, but bruh, we have come a long freaking way. Thank you for all of you who are tuned in. For those of you who are continuing on my journey, but we going places. You fucking see it.